I am Pratyush Bhaskar from Modern Plastics India and Modern Plastics TV. This year marks the 26th anniversary of Modern Plastics India and 14th year in business of Modern Plastics TV. On this auspicious occasion, we are joined by the President of All India Plastic Manufacturers Association, Sunil Shah. Sunil Bhai, thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure.
It's an honor. We've been, Modern Plastics TV, we've been like working together for the betterment of this plastic ecosystem. If you could run us through the association's journey so far and key milestones.
See, this association formed before our independence. It was formed in 1945, and all the big stalwarts have carried this All India Plastic Manufacturing Association. Today, we have office across the country. Like Bombay, we have three buildings, and one is for administrative, another is for MTech. Then now third building is getting ready for giving students uh, practical knowledge on the machines. That is there. We have a big office in Gurgaon, Delhi, to serve to have a advocacy with the government of India and the policy making help to the government of India. We have office in Ahmedabad and we have office in Chennai also. So we are catering for the industry for so many almost before independence. We have many verticals like we are doing plastivision, we are doing giving MTech, we are running GCPRS for exhibition for recycling and sustainability. Also, we are just now going to do a plastic world for exports only. So, for all segments from all these things, we are doing service to the industry.
Quite categorically, sir, you'll be telling us how you've helped at different sectors. We would like to know, like, in the last couple of years, how your association has helped the whole ecosystem of global as well Indian plastic industry to grow, sir.
See, Indian plastic industry is going leaps and bounds. Only problem with Indian plastic industry is that they think that they can cater to India and earn the money. We are not looking as a global because of the our population is about 240 crores. So we have contended. So we are telling everybody. So we have done a study of exports from 21 countries. So which country is selling where to help the people to exports. So we are doing two things in exports. One is we are keeping exhibition Plastic World in March, where we are associated with FIO, where they will bring almost 100 buyers from all over the world. And what we will do, we will scrutinize that and bring it. They are going to give us 150, but we are scrutinize 100 people and bring it. Second, all the big exporters and the small exporters who are aspiring, we are inviting them. Also, we are helping them to give a grant from Government of India, MSME, MSME. So in that case, we are trying to enlarge the canvas of the people. Also, we are doing 10x seminar in February 21st to to people give an insight that how to grow your business 10 times. Don't be contented how to. This is what we are trying to do it as an association.
And so that brings us to this very important question now that a lot of discussion is gaining momentum around the FTA agreement between India and European Union. Now that even America seems to be falling in line with the BTA deal we had. Do you think the export market is going to explode?
I can tell you that export market with these two FTA, and many more FTA, it is going to go leaps and bounds. But the most important thing for India is to consistent quality. Consistent quality and consistently on time supply. We have all the capabilities in India. We have all the machines in India. Today, this PlastIndia is about 80,000 square meter is full. We are expecting about 6 lakhs visitors over here. This is what the growth is. So now to grow further, we'll have to go to the world, and our endeavor as an association to give people, every manufacturers impetus to export the materials, and we will see that it is done. And we have taken the lead to increase 4x in 3 years exports.
Wonderful, sir. On that positive note, we'd like to know from you firsthand, since you've seen modern plastics, India growing for the last 26 years. your thought on how this media platform can go further and mirror, rather help the ecosystem of plastic industry grow.
Yes, I have been looking at modern plastic since OAGs. It has got a lot of very nice studies, and a lot of technical things are also coming. Only one small request is that to give some project study, so that people can now suppose now there is an age of sustainability. So how the smallest project for the sustainability can sustain the business. The sustainability of plastic is important, but how they can sustain the business. So that kind of project report, injection molding, blow molding, extrusion, small project report, you should give it. That will give the encourage to younger generation that how to grow the business.
Thank you so much for your valid input, sir. We'll keep in mind. Much appreciates and wish you all the luck, sir. Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much.